if you want to give me your name and your title, so you can say, hi, I'm Adam.
Yeah. Hi, I'm City News meteorologist Adam Stiles.
Adam, talk about covering weather and covering it as a beat. What when people look at weather, what is it? How do you make it relevant to everybody?
Well, there's a lot of challenges when it comes to conveying weather messages and getting people to hear what you're saying as opposed to what they actually hear. When we're talking snow and we're heading into the winter season, if you say 5 to 15 centimeters of snow, in their mind, they've already made up that they have 15 centimeters of snow on the way. So communicating the message is tricky as far as that is concerned. You have to be able to explain the spread, the difference, and even the fact that there's some uncertainty into the weather forecast so you can manage people's expectations. That's really the biggest challenge when it comes to communicating the forecast message.
Talk about facts and how they're critical in weather, like every other news story, and also bringing it home to the viewer, making weather connect to the viewer.
With telling the weather story, it's all about making it related to their lives. How is this going to impact you? They can look on their phone and they can see rain as an icon, but does it going to... sorry, let me do that again.
That's okay.
Let's do 3, 2, 1. Communicating the forecast message is also about relating it to people's lives. They can look at their phone and say, oh, yeah, rain today, but we have the ability to communicate how that's going to impact them. Is it going to be rain that only falls in the morning? Is it going to be rain that falls while most people are at work? Usually that's not a big deal. Is it happening during the commute time? How intense is it going to be? And then making it relatable to the impacts that they're going to see. If it's a heavy rain that comes during the commute, you have the potential of seeing puddling, ponding, crashes, all of that. So being able to communicate that message, that goes a little bit above and beyond just looking at the numbers that you'll see on a forecast.
Talk about facts and how facts relate to every other news story that students are learning about. How critical are facts in weather?
Facts are everything. Really, terminology is a big part of weather, and you hear a lot of weather terms, and applying those correctly is part of conveying that message. As far as the facts and numbers are concerned, if you are looking at a forecast, hang on, I got to figure out what we're going to